Hello everyone. I'm here today to discuss about public administration as an optional for civil services examination. Public administration happens to be one of the most relevant subject to be studied for civil services examination. As all of you know that for two reasons. First and foremost, because you aspire to be a civil servant, and when you get into the system, this is what you exactly are going to do as a civil servant. And secondly, this particular optional, it is going to help you a lot in your overall scheme of preparation for civil service examination, be it general studies, be it essay writing, whether it is for prelims or for mains, in both areas of general studies, as also for your interview preparation, because your personality is going to be tested on the very premise that how good a civil servant would you be. So let me invite all of you to a workshop that we are conducting on public administration. In this workshop, you can understand all about the subject, what public administration is. You can get to know about how we deal with the subject in our course. There are two courses on public administration that we are offering right now. One is the Integrated Public Administration Learning Program. That's a comprehensive program overall that will help you to have a full command in all the areas of the syllabus of public administration, along with developing all the required skills, whether it is answer writing, whether it is analytical abilities, or whether it is generating perspective and multidimensionality with respect to how the question needs to be dealt. One of the challenging areas in public administration had been to deal with the questions, and we, as part of our classes, we discuss a lot of question and answer structure. We discuss and we'll make you write a lot of answers. So we'll tell you all these details in the workshop. So please do come for the workshop and try to understand and also get to know how interesting the subject of public administration is, how it is going to enrich you and transform you as not only as a future civil servant, but also as a wonderful human being. So please do join us for the workshop. Thank you so much.